Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all well. First of all, wishing you a very happy new year 2022. And the last couple of months I did not make any video, so I'm very sorry. I was busy in my other project work. So today I got some requirements from candidates like sir, make one video for in RFC remote function call, and another one is what is the enterprise structure, organization structure. So RFC basically a remote function call which we are using for to set up one system to another system, okay, and vice versa. You can migrate your data, master data and transactional data. So for that we are using RFC, sorry. So RFC we can join the two systems with SAP to a non-SAP, any other systems, and vice versa. Data will go from SAP to non-SAP and non-SAP to SAP, vice versa. SM59 is a transaction where you can go and you can set up your RFC. Okay. Next, there is a lot of good documents in RFC in details. You can go and you can see the documents. You will get all very good information. If any doubts, you can come back. Okay. Next is a organization structure. What is the org structure? What is the enterprise structure? Basically, it's a backbone of your SAP. You cannot do any SAP transaction without this. Mostly in FI. FI transaction you cannot do without enterprise structure mapped in SAP systems. So it start with the client. When you create the enterprise structure, the finance people, finance consultant will introduce the org structure as per the client requirement. Then you will make a client. Then you will make a FI consultant will do the controlling area, chart of account, controlling company code. Then under the company code you can you have to make the plant, multiple plants if you have 4-5 plant. So this is the hierarchy: client, then chart of account, then operating concern, then company code, maybe a company code 123, 1001, 1002, 103 as per the business. Suppose any client there is a multiple business, so they can create a individual company code as per the individual business for the profit and loss, that accountability, okay, capturing. So under the company code you can create the multiple plants. Suppose they have a one business, cement industry, there is a one company code. Under the cement industry there is a 4 manufacturing plant in different location. So under the one company code you can create 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004 plant, 4 plant. So this plant has been assigned to company code assigned to the controlling area assigned to the chart of account. So this is the hierarchy. Under the our PP side we are plant code we are not creating, only guy creating the plant code. Okay, once the plant code is created, then storage location. So in PP, plant and storage location comes in our area. Okay, but we will not create. We have to send the request to consultant. He will create the plant. He will provide the plant to you, and you can start your PP setup. So org structure is very important. It's a foundation of your SAP implementation. Without org structure, and you have to define in business blueprint in project phase what will be the client organization org structure, enterprise structure. You have to define in BBP. Okay, so every consultant define. Once the org structure is finalized, so this will be the chart of account, this will be the controlling area, this will be the company code, this will be the plant, this will be the storage location. So all those things, tree structure hierarchy you have to put in your BBP. Every consultant will put in their BBP starting in that time, in the starting page. Okay, so I hope it will be clear. From PP side, once you get the plant, then you start your PP configuration, order type dependent parameter, production scheduling parameter, order control, material availability, confirmation parameter, batch management, serial number, whatever you have to define once you get your plant. Okay, so these two topics I just give the brief overview because I got the request for to make this video. So first is a RFC. RFC is a remote function call which we are using for the to interface or integrate two systems, SAP to non-SAP or non-SAP to SAP, vice versa. So once data migration will happen, master data as well as the transactional data, okay, we are using like SAP and APO and SAP or any other system. Right now we are using MES system, manufacturing execution system. So we have a setup SAP to MES. we did our interface. So data is migrating from SAP to interface, and interface to SAP to MES, and MES to SAP. Likewise, we can do it. Okay, and till now we have covered lot of topics we have covered. Okay, and I'm very happy that you people are liking my videos. Okay, so definitely we'll get in touch. I have given my contact number, and touch me. And if your friend or any colleague, if you want to learn PP with the real time scenario, okay, so contact me. I am providing the online training also. I started. So right now I have 2 3 students. I have a batch doing. So if anybody join, if anybody want to join in my batch, welcome on board. Okay, so take care, and wishing you again a very happy new year 2022. Lot of opening is there. Just increase your knowledge, explore your knowledge in SAP. Okay, definitely you will get job, you will a lot of interview you will get. And don't be don't worry about the interview. If any 1 or 2 interviews you failed, doesn't matter. But whatever question they asked, just keep in mind, note it down, get the answer, and be ready for the next interview. Definitely you will crack. Okay, so this is a very good time. If anybody want to switch from their career to SAP, most welcome. It's a very good future. In coming next S4 HANA is coming, already came in S4 HANA in market. So then 2025 every client will be migrate into S4 HANA. Okay, so very good opportunity. Definitely you will get the support projects, rollout projects, implementation projects. I am seeing lot of openings are there in SAP in different all module. And right now they are recruiting for freshers and 1 or 2 year 3 years experience also. Before they are not entertaining the freshers, but right now they are. If you have certification, then the door is open for you. Okay, so take care, and be happy. Get in touch with me if you want any training online. PP, QM, MM, SD, FICO, any model, connect to me. Okay, thank you so much.